Momentum is a fundamental concept in physics that describes the quantity of motion an object possesses. It is mathematically defined as the product of an object's mass and its velocity. Momentum is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. The SI unit for momentum is kilogram meters per second. Unlike velocity alone, momentum accounts for both how fast an object is moving and how much mass it contains. This explains why a heavy truck moving slowly can have the same momentum as a small car moving quickly. The concept of momentum helps us understand why it's harder to stop heavier objects or objects moving at higher speeds. The conservation of momentum is one of the most important principles in physics. It states that in a closed system where no external forces act, the total momentum remains constant. A closed system is one where no external forces are acting on the objects involved. When objects collide, their total momentum before the collision equals their total momentum after the collision. Let's see what happens when these objects collide. After the collision, the objects have new velocities, but the total momentum remains the same. As we can see, the total momentum before and after the collision remains exactly the same, perfectly conserved at 2 kilogram meters per second. The conservation of momentum explains many everyday phenomena, including how rockets work. When a rocket expels gas in one direction, the rocket moves in the opposite direction to conserve momentum. The momentum of the rocket in one direction exactly equals the momentum of the expelled gas in the opposite direction. There are two main types of collisions, but in both cases, momentum is always conserved. In elastic collisions, both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. Objects bounce off each other, like billiard balls. In inelastic collisions, only momentum is conserved, while some energy is converted to other forms like heat or sound. Car crashes are a common example. The conservation of momentum is a fundamental principle that applies to everything from subatomic particles to galaxies.